Wake up in the morning in the moonlight gray. We got dirt to break, we got a note to pay. I'm gonna plow, plow to the end of the road. I'm gonna wake up in the morning and plow to the end of the road. Down to the kitchen with my feet still bare. Children to the table, Papa say a prayer. I'm gonna plow, plow to the end of the road. Down to the kitchen, got to plow to the end of the road. Cornbread for breakfast, won't you boil the grinds? Got to cut the furrow before the sun gets high. I'm gonna plow, plow to the end of the road. Cornbread for breakfast and a plow to the end of the road. Sun just broke out over the trees. I got a aching in my back and a trembling in my knees. If the mule won't pull, then the plow won't go. If the seed don't set, then the crop won't grow. Chickens to the market, 7 miles to town. Gotta make it home before the sun goes down. Big storm coming, I can see it in the sky. Hope it don't rain before the clothes get dry. Rocks in my shoes, dirt in my eyes. Work like a dog till the day I die. You got to plow, plow to the end of the road. I got rocks in my shoes when I plow to the end of the road. My baby's waiting for me at the end of the day. He likes to ball the jack in the sweetest way. I'm gonna plow, plow to the end of the road. My baby's waiting for me, so I plow to the end of the road. Wake up in the morning in the moonlight gray. We got dirt to break, we got a note to pay. I'm gonna plow, plow to the end of the road. I'm gonna wake up in the morning and plow to the end of the road.